I'm at 986 Pecos River. It is 7:30 p.m. I'm doing the walkthrough. Joseph, a walkthrough is not a reinspection. What I'm looking for is material alteration to the property. Someone stole the kitchen cabinets, removed appliances, broke down a wall, burned it down, things like that. So it's all visual. A lot of lights on in here. I can just barely feel the sun. I love these good quality windows. I was just hoping I'd find a tile. Here we go. Yes. It's going with me. Well, based on everything that I've seen so far, it looks unchanged. No material alterations. And I'm happy I have a tile. That always makes it easier when I'm hunting for a replacement. A good property. Glad we waited. Bye-bye.